Another big step forward on the Golf 1 restoration. This time, it was time to remove the old front cradle and replace it with the new one. Before we started removing anything, we welded a piece of angle iron across the fender walls to keep everything in position and prevent the structure from moving while we worked. This cradle had actually been replaced before, but unfortunately, whoever did it didn't do the best job. Normally, these cradles are held in with factory spot welds, which makes them very straightforward to remove. You simply drill out the spot welds and work your way around. But this one had been welded absolutely everywhere, including some really awkward places. So instead of just drilling out the spot welds, we had to do a lot of grinding, cutting, and chiseling to get it out. After some time and a lot of work, we finally managed to completely remove the old cradle, and you can see exactly why it needed to be replaced. The old one was badly rusted. Now it's time to put the new cradle in and get it properly welded into place, and we'll be doing it the correct way. We'll be posting the welding and installation process in the next few videos, so follow along and watch this Golf come back to life.